Okay, we have this from 3.5, number 7. It says z to the fourth plus 20z cubed plus 139z squared plus 372z plus 252 equals 0. So we're going to find all the zeros, and given that 6 is a 0 of multiplicity 2, so I would begin this one by looking at, actually we're supposed to factor this out, right? Factor the following, so it's not, and get rid of this equals 0 part. Because it's not an equation, it's an expression. Okay, much better. So we know that 6 is 0, negative 6 is 0. So I'm going to put negative 6 in the box, and I have the coefficients to the z's, 1, 20, 139, 372, and 252. Doing some synthetic division here. So bring the 1 down. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. That gives us a 14. Negative 6 times 14 is negative 84. Add that down, you get 55. Negative 6 times 55 is negative 330. Add that down, you get a 42. Negative 6 times 42 is 252 negative. That adds down to be a 0. So there's one of our zeros. We just verified it's a 0. But it's multiplicity 2, so we know there's another one here. And I'm doing this in the effort to try to get this down to be maybe a quadratic that's easily factored. Okay, doing this again. Bring the 1 down. Negative 6, I get my 8. Negative 48, I get my 7. And then negative 42, and it's 0. And from this, 1, 8, and 7, I can think of the factors of 7 that are going to work here, like negative 7. I'm going to just try that. 1, negative 7, 1, negative 7, 0. So that worked, and clearly the last one's going to be 1. So this factors to be an x minus negative 6 times x minus negative 6 times x minus negative 7 times, and what's left here is an x plus 1. So x plus 1. So this factors to be x minus 6, or x plus 6, double negative, squared times x plus 7 times x plus 1. Hope that helps.